What's up, Kia 2 Technical? I'm back again with another video, and today in this video I want to show you how to access and set up your smart sidebar on your OnePlus 12 device. So pretty much all you would need to do is just go into your settings app, and you want to come down here until you see special features. Once you click on special features, you want to go to smart sidebar, and this is what it is looking like. So pretty much it just says swipe from the upper part of the screen to bring up smart sidebar from smart sidebar. You can open apps in floating windows or split view, and also get smart recommendations based on your current activity. And then it says you can also access split view, so we're gonna turn that on right now. Once you turn that on, you will be able to have your smart slide bar. They call it smart slide bar right there on the side. Yes, this is something that Samsung already does on their devices, but this is nice that OnePlus has it on their device also. So if you're in here, but one thing that is great about the smart sidebar on the OnePlus 12 is with this you can also have files. You can save files onto the sidebar. As you can see, it says files and docs. You can access your files and docs, and that is something that you cannot do on the Samsung devices with their edge panels. But with the smart sidebar, you have access to adding apps, to have quick access to using apps, and go. It brings up but it wants me to open up another app right now, so let's open up Facebook. And just like that, I have access to split windows or a floating window, just like that, just from the smart sidebar, as you can see. But let's go back into there and let's see what else we can do with smart sidebar. So I have the file dock on. You can show recent files, or you can show app names, which is very nice. But you also get access to, if you want to have your smart sidebar hidden, or if you do not want it hidden. So if you don't want it hidden, you will always have this little gray line here that's indicating the sidebar. But if you hide it, it will time out. But you always know where to pull it out from. And then it also, pretty much, that is what you can do with smart sidebar on your OnePlus 12. I was using it, but I currently shut it off because I really don't need access to that. But you know, it's still nice to have, and it's nice that it can also, you can also access your files from there, and that you can also have quick access to multitasking from there. So I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. I'm out.